Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard, tap the up arrow button on the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Language from the right sidebar. Here in the language settings, you can change the language for the user interface, the chat language and matchmaking language. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.